The $0 AI workforce. Bootstrapping in 2026. The new reality of 2026 startups.
The era of begging venture capitalists for permission to build your dream is officially over. If you are still trying to raise a pre-seed round just to hire a developer and a marketing guy, you are playing by a rulebook that expired 24 months ago. In 2026, the most powerful leverage you can have isn't a massive budget. It's an autonomous AI workforce. The tech conversation has aggressively shifted from simple, prompt-based AI that assists you to agentic systems that do the work for you, planning, executing, and iterating on complex tasks while you are fast asleep. Today, we are breaking down the exact macroeconomic shift happening right now and giving you the 2026 Bootstrapper's Playbook. I'm going to show you how to turn yourself from a solo founder drowning in grunt work into the lead architect of a fully automated empire for exactly $0.
GenAI versus Agentic AI. The macro shift.
Let's look at the macro picture. Fortune 500 companies are currently using multi-agent systems to slash their operational costs. They aren't just using AI to write emails anymore. They have manager agents supervising coder agents, who then hand off work to QA agents. But here is the massive opportunity. The exact same open source infrastructure powering those corporate giants is sitting on your laptop right now. In 2024, AI was a junior intern. You had to hold its hand. Today, Agentic AI is a senior executive. You give it a high-level goal, like build a landing page and run a split-test ad campaign, and it breaks down the stacks, writes the code, deploys the site, and adjusts the ad spend autonomously.
The Bootstrapper's Playbook. $0 AI workforce.
So, how do we weaponize this? Here is your 3-step Bootstrapper's Playbook to build your $0 workforce today. Step 1. The research agent. Stop spending weeks validating your idea. You can spin up an agent today, feed it a raw concept, and tell it to scrape Reddit, Twitter, and niche forums. Within an hour, it will return a comprehensive report on exactly what your target audience is complaining about and what they are willing to buy. Step 2. The builder agent. You don't need a technical co-founder. Autonomous coding agents can now take your validated idea, write the entire front-end and back-end architecture, catch their own bugs, and deploy the application. Your job isn't to code. Your job is to review the architecture. Step 3. The outbound agent. This is where the money is. Instead of cold calling or manually writing emails, your sales agent scrapes LinkedIn for your exact demographic, writes hyper-personalized outreach based on their recent posts, and books meetings directly onto your calendar.
Mindset shift. Conductor versus musician.
But having the tools is only 10% of the battle. The other 90% is psychology. When AI does the heavy lifting, your role fundamentally changes. You have to stop thinking like a musician playing an instrument and start thinking like the conductor of the orchestra. You are no longer rewarded for the hustle of typing out code or writing marketing copy. You are rewarded for your taste, your strategic oversight, and your ability to piece together complex systems. If you can master that mindset shift, there is no limit to what you can scale.
What problem will you solve first?
We are living through the greatest leveling of the playing field in human history. The barrier to entry isn't money anymore, it's ambition. So I want to hear from you. If you had a team of autonomous agents working for you 24/7 for free, what massive problem would you solve first? Drop your startup ideas in the comments below. Let's debate the best use cases, and I'll highlight the smartest ones in the next video. Stay sharp, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.